Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an e-file. First, understand that e-filing is the electronic submission of documents, often for taxes, directly to a government agency or other recipient. This modern approach offers significant advantages over traditional paper methods. It is typically faster, more secure, and incredibly convenient, allowing you to submit documents from almost anywhere. You can often receive confirmation of your submission within 24 to 48 hours, providing peace of mind. Before you begin the e-filing process, thorough preparation is key. Start by gathering all your essential documents, including personal identification details and any financial statements. This means collecting all income forms, like your W-2 or 1099 forms, and organizing receipts for potential deductions. Having everything neatly arranged beforehand will streamline the entire process, saving you valuable time and preventing errors during data entry. Once your documents are ready, select a reliable e-filing software or online platform. These programs guide you step by step through the submission process. Begin by accurately entering your personal information, followed by all your income details from your collected forms. Then, input any applicable deductions or credits. The software will typically perform calculations automatically, helping to ensure accuracy before you proceed to the final review stage. The final step involves a thorough review of all the information you have entered. Double-check every detail to ensure accuracy and prevent potential issues. Once you are confident everything is correct, provide your electronic signature to authorize the submission. After successful transmission, you will receive a confirmation number or email. It is crucial to save this confirmation for your records, as it serves as proof of your successful e-file submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.